What if I told you that the universe is always listening, that every thought, every feeling, every assumption you hold is shaping the reality you experience? Most people go through life believing that success, happiness, and fulfillment are things they must chase. But the truth is, life isn't happening to you. The secret to changing your life isn't about luck, struggle, or waiting for the right opportunity. It's about understanding the power within you, the power to make the universe respond in your favor. Once you unlock this, everything begins to shift. Your dreams stop being distant wishes and start becoming undeniable realities. So how do you do it? How do you command the universe to align with your desires? Stay with me, because today you're about to discover a truth that will change the way you see everything. Your imagination shapes reality. Your life is a mirror reflecting the thoughts and emotions you consistently entertain. Everything you see, everything you experience is an outward projection of the ideas you hold within. Most people believe that reality is fixed, that circumstances dictate their lives. But the truth is, your inner world creates your outer world. The thoughts you dwell on, the emotions you feel deeply, and the images you vividly imagine are shaping your destiny at this very moment. Consider this. Every great achievement, every invention, every breakthrough in human history started in someone's imagination before it became reality. The people who changed the world, visionaries, creators, and leaders, first saw their success in their minds before it ever existed in the physical world. They understood that imagination is not just a place for idle daydreaming. It is a foundation upon which reality is built. Now think about your own life. What are you constantly imagining? Do you spend time visualizing success, happiness, and abundance? Or do you allow fear, doubt, and limitation to dominate your mind? The universe does not differentiate between what is real and what is imagined. It simply responds to the strongest signals you send. If you want to change your life, you must start with your imagination. See yourself living the life you desire. Feel it as if it is already yours. Experience the joy, confidence, and excitement of that reality now, because the moment you do, you send a powerful message to the universe, and it has no choice but to respond. Live as if it's already yours. The secret to transforming your life is not in waiting, wishing, or hoping. It's in living as though your desires have already been fulfilled. Most people make the mistake of placing their dreams in the distant future, believing that success, happiness, and abundance are things they must earn over time. But the universe does not operate on delay. It responds to the energy you embody right now. Imagine a person who constantly thinks, one day I'll be successful, or someday I'll have the life I want. By thinking this way, they unknowingly tell the universe that their success and happiness are always in the future, never in the present. And so their dreams remain just out of reach. But what if instead they chose to believe and feel that their desires were already fulfilled? What if they walked, spoke, and thought as if they had already achieved everything they wanted? That simple shift would change everything. When you live as if your dream life is already yours, you align yourself with the reality you seek. Your subconscious mind cannot tell the difference between what is real and what is imagined. It only accepts the feelings and beliefs you hold. If you begin to act and feel like the person you want to become, your subconscious mind will work tirelessly to bring that vision into reality. Think about it. Have you ever noticed how confident people naturally attract opportunities? How successful individuals seem to move through life with an unshakable belief in themselves? It's not because they got lucky. It's because they carry the mindset of success before it physically manifests. They don't wait for external validation. They create it from within. If you want financial success, start carrying yourself with the confidence of someone who already has it. If you want a fulfilling relationship, embody the qualities of a loving and secure partner today. If you want better health, act as if you are already in peak condition. This is not pretending. It is aligning yourself with the reality you wish to experience. But here's the key. You must feel it deeply. It's not enough to simply say, I am successful or I am wealthy. You must feel the emotions that come with that reality. Feel the gratitude, the excitement, and the certainty. The more real it feels to you, the faster it manifests. At first, this might seem difficult because your external world may not yet reflect your desires. But do not be deceived by appearances. Reality is always catching up to your dominant beliefs. If you persist in the assumption that your dreams are already fulfilled, the universe will move in ways you cannot predict to make it so. So, starting today, stop waiting for permission to step into the life you desire. Live it now. Walk with the confidence of someone who has already won. Speak with the certainty of someone who knows their destiny. Think, act, and feel as if your dream has already come true. Because when you do, the universe will have no choice but to match your energy. The power of assumption. What if I told you that the only thing standing between you and the life you desire is the assumptions you hold about yourself and the world? Most people assume that life is difficult, that success is reserved for the lucky few, and that they must struggle endlessly to achieve their dreams. But what if, instead, they assume that life was working in their favor, that success was inevitable, that they were already the person they aspired to become? The truth is, what you assume to be true becomes your reality. The mind is like a magnet, attracting experiences that align with your deepest beliefs. If you assume you are not good enough, life will continuously reflect situations that confirm that belief. If you assume money is hard to come by, you will struggle financially, no matter how hard you work. But if you assume success is natural for you, that wealth flows effortlessly, and that you are worthy of greatness, the universe will align circumstances to match that belief. Look at the people who seem to have everything. They move through life with an unshakable confidence, as if success is a given, and it is, because they assume it is. They don't question their worth, they don't doubt their abilities, and they don't entertain thoughts of failure. Instead, they step into every situation with the expectation that things will go their way. And because they believe it so strongly, reality bends in their favor. Now let's bring this back to you. What are you assuming about yourself every single day? Do you wake up expecting opportunities or obstacles? Do you assume people will respect you, or do you fear rejection? The assumptions you carry shape the way you think, act, and respond to life. And in turn, life reflects those assumptions right back to you. Here's how you can start using the power of assumption to transform your reality. Identify your limiting assumptions. Pay attention to the thoughts that dominate your mind. Are they thoughts of abundance or lack, confidence or doubt? The first step to change is awareness. Consciously replace negative assumptions. If you catch yourself assuming struggle, replace it with ease. If you assume failure, replace it with victory. Your mind is malleable. You can train it to expect the best. Act in alignment with your assumptions. If you assume success is inevitable, how would you carry yourself? How would you speak? How would you approach challenges? Embody that energy now. Persist until it becomes reality. The key is to remain firm in your assumption, even when your current reality contradicts it. The universe takes time to rearrange itself to match your new beliefs. Stay the course. The greatest transformations happen when you start assuming the best about yourself and your future. Assume that you are capable. Assume that you are worthy. Assume that life is unfolding in your favor. Because once you do, the universe has no choice but to respond. Detachment and faith. One of the biggest obstacles people face when trying to change their lives is attachment. clinging too tightly to how and when their desires should manifest. They set goals, visualize their dreams, and take action, but deep down they are filled with doubt, fear, and impatience. They constantly check for signs, worry about obstacles, and question whether things are working. This anxious energy sends a message to the universe. I don't truly believe it will happen. But the truth is, the universe responds best to those who trust the process. Faith is the key that unlocks everything. When you plant a seed in the ground, you don't dig it up every day to see if it's growing. You trust that with time, it will break through the soil and flourish. The same principle applies to your desires. The moment you decide what you want and fully believe it is already yours, the universe begins working behind the scenes. Your only job is to stay alive with that belief and release the need to control every detail. Detachment does not mean giving up. It means releasing doubt, anxiety, and desperation. It means trusting that what is meant for you will arrive in perfect timing, even if you don't see immediate results. When you detach, you shift your energy from lack to abundance, from desperation to confidence. And that shift is what allows the universe to deliver your desires effortlessly. Think about the times in your life when things worked out unexpectedly. Maybe you met the right person at the right time or received an opportunity when you least expected it. These moments happen when you are in a state of flow, when you are not obsessing over outcomes, but simply trusting that everything is working in your favor. The people who struggle the most are often those who hold on too tightly, trying to force their desires into existence instead of allowing them to unfold naturally. So how do you practice detachment and faith? Trust that it's already yours. Instead of worrying about how your desire will manifest, affirm that it is already on its way. Feel the certainty of it. Let go of the need to chase or force it. Focus on the present moment. Live fully in the now. When you are too fixated on the future, you send a message of lack. Instead, enjoy the present, knowing that your desires are unfolding behind the scenes. Let go of the how. The universe has infinite ways to bring your dreams to life, ways you may never even consider. Don't limit yourself by trying to control every detail. Allow unexpected blessings to find you. Replace doubt with gratitude every time you feel anxious about whether your desires will manifest. Shift your focus to gratitude. Be thankful for what you have now and for what is already coming. Gratitude raises your vibration and accelerates manifestation. Surrender with confidence. Detachment doesn't mean you stop taking action. It means you move forward with confidence, knowing that success is inevitable. Act as if you already have what you desire, and let the universe handle the rest. Remember, you are not chasing your dreams, you are aligning with them. When you trust, let go, and remain open, you allow life to surprise you in ways greater than you could ever imagine. Faith is not just believing in what you see, it is knowing that what you seek is already yours, even before it appears. Let go, trust the process, and watch the universe respond in ways beyond your wildest dreams. Your inner world creates your outer reality. The life you are living right now is a reflection of your inner world, your thoughts, emotions, and beliefs. Most people try to change their circumstances by taking external action alone, but true transformation begins within. The world outside of you is simply a mirror reflecting back what you consistently hold in your mind. Think of it this way. If you look into a mirror and don't like what you see, you wouldn't try to change the reflection directly. You would change yourself, and the reflection would adjust accordingly. The same is true for life. If you want a better reality, you must first create a better mindset. When you change your dominant thoughts and beliefs, the universe has no choice but to rearrange itself to match your new state of being. Everything you experience, your relationships, finances, health, and opportunities, is shaped by what you believe to be true about yourself and the world. If you hold limiting beliefs like, I'm not good enough, money is hard to come by, or success is for other people, then your reality will reflect those beliefs back to you. But the moment you shift your inner dialogue, you shift your destiny. Successful people don't wait for external proof before believing in themselves. They create the belief first. They cultivate an unshakable mindset of abundance, confidence, and success before they ever see results. And because their internal world is aligned with their desires, their external world transforms to match it. So how can you start shaping your reality from within? Become aware of your thoughts. Pay attention to the stories you tell yourself every day. Are they empowering or limiting? Every thought you repeat is a command to the universe. Choose thoughts that align with the life you want. Reprogram your mindset. If you've spent years believing in struggle and limitations, it's time to shift those beliefs. Use affirmations, visualization, and self-talk to install new mental patterns that reflect success and abundance. Embody the energy of your desired reality. Ask yourself, how would I think, act, and feel if I had already achieved my dreams? Step into that version of yourself now. Speak, move, and make decisions from that empowered state. Surround yourself with the right energy. The people and environment around you influence your beliefs. Choose to be around those who uplift and inspire you. Consume content that reinforces positivity and growth. Trust that reality will adjust. Your external world may take time to catch up, but don't be fooled by appearances. Keep your focus on your inner transformation and know that change is already in motion. The greatest shift you can make is realizing that you are not a victim of circumstances. You are the creator of them. The universe is always responding to you, not through luck or coincidence, but through the energy and beliefs you hold within. Change your inner world and your outer world will follow. This is the true secret to transformation.